Go fried without the guilt with the new Gourmia Digital Air Fryer GAF536. At Gourmia, we believe meals should be easy, healthy, and delicious. And now you can enjoy all your favorite fried foods without the extra fat. Our FRYFORCE 360 technology circulates heat from every direction, giving your food that authentic fried crispiness with up to 80% less fat. And with our express heat system, you can cook up to 30% faster than standard ovens. It's easy to use with 9 one-touch cooking functions, allowing you to bake, roast, broil, and more with just a tap. The simple touch interface gives you full control of all settings, making adjusting time and temperature intuitive and straightforward. Guided cooking prompts notify you to add food when the air fryer is preheated and to turn food during cooking. What's more, we built in a dehydrate function so you can easily create tasty, dried snacks from the comfort of your home. The spacious 5-quart basket is great for cooking for family and friends. And the basket and crisper tray are non-stick and dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. With its sleek and compact design, the Gourmia air fryer will look great in any kitchen. We've also included an exclusive recipe book so you can create a large variety of dishes that fit your healthy lifestyle, making the Gourmia GAF536 the perfect kitchen companion.